I thought my mind would set you free, that time would steal your hold on me. I swore I'd learn to stand alone, nothing left of love we've known. But still, you're here, you never fade, no matter how the years have played. I've still got your face painted on my heart, drawn upon my soul, etched in every part. Your kiss still burns like fire on my lips. Your touch lingers deep in love I can't eclipse. I've tried to run, I've tried to hide, to leave your ghost locked outside. But every time you pull